French onion soup would have to be in my top 5 favourite soups of all time because it's that delicious. Now in this pot I have 1 kilo of brown onions, and what you need to do is cook this for about 30 to 40 minutes in lots of butter and a little bit of thyme. So once it's cooked down, we need to thicken this up. So a little bit of flour, and just cook that flour off for a moment. We'll also add some Dijon mustard in true French form, and that also thickens up the soup, but it also gives it that slight piquancy. This is totally optional, but I like the addition of some port or some Madeira. You can leave this bit out if you like though. That's about 50 mils. Now for the all-important stock to give it that wonderful savoury flavour. I've got a beef style stock, and that's really traditional for this style of recipe. So in with our beef stock. And I don't need to add any more salt to this because the stock has got loads of flavour in itself. So I'm going to add about 1.5 litres to 2 litres. The lid goes on, and this cooks for about 30 minutes. All right, the soup is ready. It smells fantastic, and you can see it's the perfect consistency. And I'll just ladle that into this classic bowl and really fill it up all the way to the top. No French soup is complete without cheesy toast. And the whole idea is to break that bread, dip it in. Oh, and this is just the best thing ever. You don't need to go to a French restaurant to enjoy this soup. Make it at home, it'll taste even better. That is a hug in a bowl right there.